All right, folks, there was a question come up the other day about the 1911 design and 10 millimeter. And can you use a 45 1911 magazine for the 10 millimeter? Well, with that being said, here's the gun, 45 ACP magazine. So let's try it and see. You got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is your 45 ACP magazine loaded with the 10 millimeter 200 grain. But there's a catch to this. Now, anybody that owns the Rock Island 1911 10 millimeter knows that it's an 8-round magazine for the 10 millimeter. But if you use the 45 magazine, not only does it hold 8, but you can actually put number 9 in there. Works just fine. So, take your choice. If you own the 10 millimeter 1911, would you rather buy the 8-round magazine for the 10 millimeter, or would you rather buy the 8-round magazine for the 45 and then become a 9-round? So therefore, the 8-round 1911 10 millimeter versus the 8-round 1911 45. 8-round 45 holds 9. 8-round of 10 millimeter only holds 8 rounds. If it was me, I'd buy all 45s. And not only will that work for the 45, where this one here won't, if you have other 1911s that are chambered in 45s, then all the magazines are interchangeable. So 8-round 45 magazines versus 8-round 10 millimeter magazine, I think I would go with the 45 magazine and get 9 for the 10 millimeter. That works just fine. Hope you enjoyed that.